going to be doing a motherboard replacement on a Lenovo 300E G3 Touch. The first thing you want to do is disconnect the battery cable. We do this to prevent any shortages to the motherboard or the LCD. So you just want to take out the screws in the bottom cover. Once the screws are loosened, you can remove the bottom cover. And then disconnect the battery cable. When handling a motherboard, please make sure that you are grounded to avoid any static electricity damaging the motherboard. Now you can remove all the screws holding the motherboard in. You also want to take out the screw holding the Wi-Fi card in so that it's easier to disconnect. Now that the screws are taken out, you can start disconnecting everything from the motherboard. So you can disconnect the Wi-Fi card, the camera cable, the LCD cable, the stylus board, the speakers, the keyboard ribbon, the touchpad ribbon, and the two USB ribbons. Now that everything is disconnected, you can carefully remove the motherboard, being careful with the ports on the side. Now you can grab your new motherboard and carefully put it back into place. Make sure there's no cables or wires underneath of the board. So now you can reconnect everything except for the battery back into the motherboard. So you can reconnect the stylus cable, the speakers, the keyboard ribbon, the touchpad ribbon, the two USB ribbons, the Wi-Fi card, the camera cable, and the LCD cable. Now that everything except for the battery is reconnected, you can put the screws back into the motherboard and the screw back into the Wi-Fi card. and reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard. And then you can put the bottom cover back on. And tighten up the bottom cover screws. To verify the repair, you want to grab your AC and plug the unit in. Once it's plugged in, you can open the unit up. If the LCD comes on, then that means the repair was successful. And then to double check that the battery is working properly, you can unplug the AC. And if you unplug it and the unit stays on, that means the battery is working. So now you can shut the unit down.